Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make wheat rava upma. Very delicious and a very easy breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. To this add 1 cup of wheat rava. Dry roast for 1 minute in low flame. Once they are nicely done, remove and set it aside. Heat the same pan again and to this add 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dhal and 1/4 teaspoon of Channa Dhal. Give it a nice mix. Now the dal is nicely done, so to this add 2 dried red chillies, few curry leaves and 1 onion very finely chopped. Saute until the onion turns transparent. Then to this add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now the onions are nicely done, so add 2 cups of water and give it a quick mix. Let's wait till the water comes to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so go ahead and add the roasted wheat rava. Mix it well until the water completely dries up. Now the water has started to reduce. Continue to mix. Now the wheat rava upma is in perfect consistency, so add a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. Now our delicious and healthy wheat rava upma is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some sambar and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this wheat rava upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.